Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. The aim of this video is to show you that where from exactly you can download the Vivado software that will be used for your DSD lab or any VLSI lab which we are doing, whether it's a digital system design lab or maybe in your near future or this time you're doing your VLSI lab or any lab where you're using your VHDL and Verilog languages. So the tool for that is Vivado. That is HDL based tool. So I'll very quickly go to the simplest possible procedure that we have. You'll directly go to the Xilinx Vivado download that you will write in the Google. Following this, you can see that there is the website of the Xilinx itself, Xilinx support download, that provides these tools. Now we will obviously not download the latest version because we need it for our experimentation and all that. So we will go to Vivado archives. This Vivado archives are those tools. Likewise, you can see Xilinx archives also. So these versions are those which are in a way free to use, and you can use it for your experimentation and simulation, whatever you need. So majority of your work will be able to, you will be able to do that using this software. So we will not download even the latest in this archive, but we will download 2020.2. And here, uh, you can see this that there is Xilinx Unified Installer, Windows self-extracting website installer. You will click on this. This means you don't even have to install it. You just click on this and it will automatically download it. It will automatically install and it will just give you the final version of the tool. So let's do it. So this is step number one. You will click on this link. But before you go ahead, you will have to make an account. Say, for example, if you have your own username, you will create an account over here, create account. I used my simple Gmail account to create a username, and once it was created I activated email, and then I again landed on the same page, or separately I can open this tab once again and create an account and put it here again. So since I have made my account already, you can make your account and then come to this page. So we'll try to sign it. It will show me this information over here. I just typed in the wrong password. That's okay. So it'll show me the information that I have already entered, like what is my affiliation and all that, what's my name, full name, all the affiliation and all that is being displayed. I have to do nothing since I have given this information already once I have made an account. So I just have to now click on download. That's it. My download has started, and in some time you can see the final version. So you can see that this unified installer has been downloaded completely. We'll just open the file. So I'll directly go to the folder without any delay. You can see this Xilinx Unified in 2020.2, and I'll double click on this. What is expected that it will connect to the internet and it will automatically start the download. It might take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, depending upon your internet connection and your system as well. But a pop-up will soon come and the installation will start. And till then, till 2 hours or 3 hours, you have to do nothing but just sit down and relax and do your daily activities because it will take at least 2 to 3 hours anyway to get installed completely. But after 3 hours, you'll be able to use the software directly without any problem. So this is extracting the installer and it will start the installation immediately. We hope that it happens in all your systems similarly. By the way, I'll meanwhile like to show my operating system is Windows 10. Let it complete the extraction. And more importantly, while you're okay, let's click on yes, and it will give you a warning that while you're installing this, you should actually um, stop your antivirus or whatever it is. So let's go on with this. Allow SS, and you can see now this unified installer will actually go to the main installation page from here on. Meanwhile, let's actually stop our antivirus. Let's go to Windows Security. Here you can go to virus threat and protection, virus threat and protection manage settings, and real-time protection off for some time, and click yes. But just minimize it because immediately after this installation finishes, you can. And one more thing is, let's open this my computer over here, and if I show you the properties of my system, and I have 8 GB of RAM, 64-bit, and Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro. I think it will work for both of the softwares. Now, what I have at hand is that meanwhile, I think that would have started. No, it is not just started. We'll wait for some more time before we can actually see it happen. So it is a matter of patience, although things are automated, but it will take. So this is what is the next window. It is clearly saying to reduce installation time, we recommend that you disable any antivirus software. We have already disabled that, so we need not to worry. We can just simply click on next and your installation is expected to start. But you have to give the email ID and username. It has to be the same which you used earlier to create an account in this website, which is in my case the same Gmail account which I have used, and obviously the same password. I expect things to be right. Download and install. Download image and install separately. We don't want to do it. We want this process to be completely automated, and let's hope that the password and email is correct. We will have to go to Vivado, not Wits, because we need Vivado as a tool. And let's click on next. We'll keep it by default HL system edition and click on next. All these packages are there. 7 series, Ultra C, these are different devices that it will support, which is good for us. And click on next. We'll check all these boxes 1, 2, and 3. It will create a directory. Click next, and it says Xilinx does not exist. Do you want to create it? Yes, we want to create it. And this is the download size, so that means you need a good connection, maybe fiber, and then the disk space it will consume is 106 GBs, and final disk usage will be 58. Anyway, let's see. Let's hope that you have at least 100 or 50 GBs free for this type of thing, and then only you can move ahead. So this has started the installation. We'll see you after 3 hours, and till then you can take your tea and have some activity being done in your respective place. One more point which you need to consider is that you will go to edit power plan, and here you will change the settings that when it is plugged in it should never sleep. Okay, and even if it is like you have an electricity issue in your area, so 1 hour or so should be the time that you should give it to sleep, because you will have to keep it on, keep it connected with internet and maybe with your plugged in charger as well for around 3 hours from here on. So it is better to change the settings as well. Do not forget it. Once this is done, although the speed is around 2 Mbps or 3 Mbps, but it is still showing a lot of time. So you need to wait patiently till it finishes. Once this portion will finish, then this will install automatically and finalize the process. Whatever comes next in on the screen, click on next, next, next as usual and allow. You should be done with your installation by the end of this time. It will ask for certain things. So would you like to install this device software? So you just have to install, or if you see agree, just go on. We're almost done with the installation. It'll take some more time, and this screen, this license manager and all, you can ignore it for time being and get started with your tool. So anything which is left, you'll click on next, I agree, install, and finish, so that it completes the installation. You not to worry about the license manager and all that as of now. We'll see that later on how to deal with that. So this is another pop-up, but you have to click allow SS and move ahead. Installation completed successfully, although it's showing me some updates, but you need not to worry about them. Now to start the tool, we have this Vivado here icon here, and we'll click on this, enter, and the Vivado tool should start. Again, depending upon your system features, it may take some time, but you'll have to wait for this also. This is the final window that you will see. Now you can click on create project and move ahead with your programming, but that we will see in some another session. And this shows that the tool is working fine. So that completes the installation.